I'm here with my brother and we are looking at our van. So what we're going to do is show you how to install a window into a panel van. Okay, so we have our panel van. What are we going to do?
Make it into a window panel van.
You think it'll fit?
I hope so.
Okay, and let's look at the other side. So all of this has to come out, this bit here. Shouldn't be too difficult.
There's no going back now. Yeah, just above that lip. And then he follows this one in. Other ground.
Are you trusting the guy who messed it up?
No.
Here's Johnny.
Right, you ready to do this?
Let's do this.
So guys, we've gone from a solid panel to a big hole and we're about to glue in the glass. So step one, we scuffed this a little bit, gave it a good clean. Now we're going to put alcohol onto the window and clean it up as well. So after degreasing the window, we have primer, which we primed all the metal with. And now we're going to use the glue to glue in the window. Okay, ready to go. There you have it now, all finished. So there you have it guys, that's how you install the window in the panel van. So if you like these videos, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Support me at PayPal in the link below. As always, thanks for watching, see you next time.